Hi everybody. How is it going? Welcome to our video. Are you ready to become a healthy eating pro? Today we're going to talk about how to make healthy food choices and control our portion sizes, but don't worry, it's not rocket science. We'll make it fun and easy. Let's get started. Tip number 1, plan your meals. Planning ahead of time is key to success. It's a great way to make sure we're making smart choices and staying on track. Plus, it's fun to pick out delicious meals and recipes to try. Imagine yourself as a top chef, creating your own menu. Tip number 2, eat a variety of foods. Eating a wide variety of foods ensures that we're getting all the necessary nutrients our body needs. And let's be real, who doesn't love trying new things? Eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats is a great way to make sure we're getting the best of everything. Plus, it's a great excuse to try new recipes and to get creative in the kitchen. Tip number 3, choose whole foods. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein are packed with nutrients and will keep us feeling full and satisfied longer. Plus, they taste amazing. And let's face it, there's nothing more satisfying than filling our carts with fresh, wholesome foods. Tip number 4, watch our portion sizes. It's easy to get carried away, but being mindful of how much we're eating is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. Smaller plates and paying attention to serving sizes can make a big difference. Remember, it's not about depriving ourselves, but about making sure we're eating the right amount for our body and still enjoy every single bite. Tip number 5, be mindful while eating. This one is key. Eating mindfully means paying attention to our food and how we're feeling while we're eating. This can help us be more aware of when we're full and prevent overeating. Plus, savoring our food is one of life's simple pleasures. When we take the time to enjoy our food, it makes mealtime more satisfying and enjoyable. Tip number 6, avoid distractions. Eating is a special moment, let's enjoy it. Avoiding distractions like watching TV, using our phones, or working while we eat can help us be more present and mindful during our meals. It's all about being in the moment and making the most of our meals. Plus, it's a great opportunity to disconnect and relax for a bit. Tip number 7, drink water. Drinking water before meals can help curb our appetite and make us feel full, which can help us eat less. Plus, staying hydrated is essential for our overall health. And let's face it, water is nature's thirst-quenching superhero. Cheers to hydration. Tip number 8, listen to our bodies. Our body is smart, it knows what it needs. Paying attention to our body's signals and eating when we're hungry and stopping when we're full, it's the best way to make sure we're eating what our body needs. And it feels pretty good too, when you finally give into that craving, or when you realize you're full and don't need to keep eating. Tip number 9, don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later on, so it's important to eat regular, balanced meals throughout the day. And let's face it, who doesn't love a good meal? It's a great opportunity to fuel our bodies and keep our energy levels up. Tip number 10, be realistic. Remember that making healthy food choices and controlling portion sizes is a lifelong process. Don't expect perfection, and be kind to yourself if you slip up. It's all about progress, not perfection. And most importantly, don't forget to enjoy the journey. And remember, it is always important to consult with a doctor or a nutritionist if you are going to make drastic changes to your diet. They are there to guide and support you. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Bon appétit! And remember, healthy eating is not just about what we eat, but also about the company we keep and the memories we make. So, gather your loved ones, share a healthy meal together, and make memories that will last a lifetime. So, get ready to make healthy food choices, control your portion sizes, and enjoy every single bite of it. It's a journey worth taking, and we're here to support you every step of the way.